Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove weather widgets on Windows 11 lock screen. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Widgets on Windows 11 are small, interactive, and personalized panels that displays dynamic content such as weather, news, stocks, photos, and calendars events directly on your desktop. On my previous video, I've shown you how to disable widgets from your Windows 11. But now, what if you want to remove the widgets from your lock screen? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you can go to your start menu start. And from here, you can go to settings. From settings, you can go to personalization. And you can go to lock screen. So here's your lock screen display. By default, the lock screen status will set to weather and more widget will be seen on your lock screen. And if you don't want to see it on your lock screen, you can just disable. So you can select in here, weather and more. You can select unknown. So now, there's no more news or weather or any widgets on your lock screen on your Windows 11. It's very simple, right? So that is how to disable, how to remove news and weather on your Windows 11 lock screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!